Hello class, we are going to learn how to use Microsoft Excel with HP UFT. So Microsoft Excel will be needed when you will be developing your test framework. So let's say we have a simple program here where we are creating an Excel file and saving it to our hard drive. So if I want to execute this code, you can see here that it will throw an error. Can you see ActiveX component cannot create Excel application? It is not able to create Excel application because we do not have Excel installed in our virtual operating system. So we are using virtual operating system from where we are executing our HP UFT code. So um, as we do not have Microsoft Excel installed in this virtual machine, that's why it was not able to create a Excel file. So what we'll have to do, we will be using Microsoft Office trial version, and we'll be installing it in our virtual machine. Now let me show you how you can download and install Microsoft Office trial version from internet. So again, this is this I'll go to this URL again. It is from PC River. So I'll go to their site, and from their site I'll be scrolling down, and here I'll be clicking on download. Can you see? It is downloading Microsoft Office from there for me. So it will take a while to download this software. In the meantime, I will pause the recording. So now we have that Microsoft Office downloaded here. If you take a look, this is the folder it has downloaded for us. So what I will do, I will cut this folder from here to our shared drive that we have shared with the virtual machine. So if you go there, and I have a folder that I have created for Microsoft Office PC River. Now I'll be pasting it here. Okay, so this Microsoft Office setup file, you can see this is ISO file, and it is zipped. So to unzip that file, can you see we have if you right click, you can extract this file by using WinRAR. So now WinRAR, where will you get WinRAR? So let me show you where you can get WinRAR. So if you go to my site, and if you so how you can download and install WinRAR so that you can extract that Office file. If you go to my site here, and then if you come to UFT tutorials, can you see how to install Office in virtual operating system? So in this page, see, I have given the link where you can download the Microsoft Office. And also, can you see this link? If you click on it, you will have WinRAR downloaded. So you will need to install that WinRAR, and then once you have installed that WinRAR, then if you come here, if you right click on this PC River, then you will see that you can extract the files. Let's select extract the files here, and let's say we are extracting it here in this folder, and let's click OK. So now it is, can you see, it is extracting the files here, and it will take a little while it is extracting the files. I will pause my recording here for a while. Now it has extracted the files here. You can see that inside that folder we have a setup.exe file. So let me do one thing. Let me go to our virtual operating system. You this folder, can you see the whole 3QI labs? This folder is shared with my virtual computer, and inside that one I have that Microsoft Office PC River. So I'll go to my virtual machine, and from there I will close my UFT, and then let's go to my drive here inside my computer. If you see, this is my shared drive, and from this shared drive, can you see Microsoft Office PC River? So let's go to this folder, and from there we can see this setup file here. So let me try to install it from here. So it will throw this error, but let me copy this folder to our C drive so that uh, we can actually, I previously copied it here, so it is already here. Let me try to install it from here. Can you see it is installing Microsoft Office in our virtual machine? So I will pause my recording for a while. Our installation is still in progress. So once it comes to the next step, then I will bring you back to the recording. So in the meantime, I will keep the recording in pause. Now you can see that our office has installed. So I'll close this, and if you go to start menu from your virtual operating system, let's see what happens, what we see. So if you go to all programs, and from here you can see that Microsoft Office, and we have all of the Office programs. Now let me go back and open that test that we previously wanted to run. So if I come here, if I try to execute this program now, okay. So let me let me quickly change something here. I'll have to make this name as, so let me close this Excel. Now let me execute this code again. Now if you first take a look here, if I go to this path in my hard drive, okay, can you see there is no Excel file at this point here in this drive. Now if I execute this program, okay, now if you go to that place, and let me just can you see a file called test excel is created here? How? So by this code that we have executed, what we are doing here, we are see here, two To create an Excel file in your hard drive, you will have to create an object of Excel application, and then we are making that Excel. Can you see this object excel.application.visible? We are making it visible, and then we are adding a workbook in that Excel file. And then what we are doing here, we are saving that active workbook as in this name, and then we are closing Excel application, and then we are exiting out. Now let me delete this file, and from here let me go through step by step. See, line number 4, we have created an Excel object, and now what we are doing, we are making that Excel object that we have created visible. Okay, now can you see it has made that object visible after we have executed line number 7. Now can you see that in that Excel object there is no spreadsheet, there is no gridded sheet where we normally work. Now what we are saying in line number 9, we are adding a workbook in that file. Now if you go, can you see there is a workbook with sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and then if you take a look here, there is no Excel file. Now if I execute this line, I am saving this file as testexcel.xls. Now if you come here, see it is saved here, and then now this Excel file, we are first closing it, and then that object we are saving nothing in it, so that it frees the memories, it free up the memories. Okay, so that is how you create, that is how you install Excel in your virtual machine, Microsoft Office in your virtual machine, and after that we have executed, we have created a simple program that will create an Excel for you. In the next video we are going to check if this file, like, first we are creating the Excel here. So before creating, we will be checking if that Excel file exists. If that file doesn't exist, then we will create it. If that file exists, then we will not create it. Okay, and then we'll see how to write something in that Excel file, and then how to read data from the Excel file in the following videos. So I will wrap up this session here, but please follow the next videos. We will be discussing other important topics regarding how you can call different methods from Excel, and we will be using this knowledge, these techniques that we are learning from here in developing our test frameworks in QTP. Okay, thank you for watching.